You are most welcome in calculus classes. This is the lecture number 4. In this module, we learn about the elimination method of solutions of linear equations in two variables. So, without delaying, I want to start the video. So, the method itself, indicating the meaning of its name, elimination method. Elimination, that means we have to remove something. Elimination, that means removal. So here we have to remove either x or y, any one of the term from the equations. Both the equation we have to remove as per the conditions, as per the availability of this coefficients, and there, that means what we can say, for easiness of the calculation. So you can see here I have written some questions, then some of the questions I'll solve with the help of elimination methods, so you will understand nicely. So see, the first question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and the second equation of same question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. I'll give you the solution of these two equations with the help of elimination method. So here we are finding the same question is written, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is our first equation, and second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is our second equation. So I earlier explained, or I told you, I'll give you the detailed information and the detailed procedure of this method. This is the easiest method to solve the linear equations in two variables. So what we have to do, we have to make the coefficient of x or y, either one of them. It is up to you. We have to make their coefficient same. If I want to make the coefficient of x same, so we have to interchange their coefficients. Interchange, that means here the coefficient of x is 3 and here the coefficient of x is 2. So I'll explain as I will exchange the coefficient. So here I am writing equation number 1 is to be multiplied by 3, and equation number 2 is to be multiplied by 2. So see, you will find 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. What we have to do, we have to multiply the first equation by 3 and we have to multiply the second equation by 2. Still this is the first equation, still this is the second equation. Okay, after multiplying you will find 6x plus 9y equal to 21. And dear students, keep in mind, sometimes students forgot to multiply this right hand side term by this number. So this mistake should not be done by you. So you have to keep in mind nicely that what we have to do, we have to multiply whole equation with the coefficient. So 2 3 just 6, 4 2 just 8 is equals to 20. And the next procedure comes in mind, if we are finding the terms which has to be removed are equal in the coefficients. So they are equal in coefficients. If they have same sign, what we are finding is 6x and this 6x, both the terms having the same sign. So in the case of same sign, what the procedure will be? Subtraction. Okay. In case of different sign, the procedure will be addition. So what we have to do, I'll write as subtracting. Subtracting, that means this process is to be followed subtraction. So here positive sign of C, that's nothing, no sign is there, it means this is positive, so this is, it becomes negative. This positive sign changes to negative, this is also 6x cancel by 6x plus 6x minus 6x, 9y minus 8y, what would come? Only y, and 21 minus 20, this is the one. So I found the value of one unknown, that is y. I'll keep this value. So I found y equal to 1. So here I'll keep the value of this y, any one of the equations. So we can take from equation number 2. So this equation number 2 is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. I'm writing and keeping the value of y here. So I found this y in the place of y. I kept 1. So 4 into 1, 4 would come. Then I'm keeping this 3 this side, only 10, and I'm sending this 4 to right hand side. So it becomes 10 minus 4, so 6. X equal to 6 divided by 3. So again we found y x is equals to. The solution of these equations, that means system of this equation, is x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. This is the solution found by us with the help of elimination method. Now someone is telling ki what is the proof this solution x is equals to 1 and y equal to, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is correct. Someone is asking. So what will you say? Do you have any proof? So we will say we can verify the solution. So here I am verifying, see, from equation number 1, as I explained in the beginning when I was explaining the solution process, the pair of the values of x and y is satisfy both the equations. So 2 into 2 and 3 into 1. I am keeping the value of x, here 2 and here 1. 4 plus 3. I hope you understood. This is 7 equal to 7. Verification done. And for second equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. It is not required in the examination. For the examination point of view, it is not required, but for your satisfaction, you can follow the verification. Sometimes someone is telling, do you have any proof to be say that these two answers are correct? I hope you understood these two answers are correct because they satisfied both the equations. Now I took the second question. 3x plus 2y equal to 11 upon 3, and second equation minus 7x plus 5y equal to 31 upon 3. See, as per your choice, as per your calculation convenience, you can make any coefficient same, either the coefficient of x or coefficient of y. It is up to you. Here I am finding the coefficient of x in first equation is 3, in second equation is minus 7, and I am finding the coefficient of y in first equation is 2 and in second equation 5. So as compared to 3, 7, I found 2 and 5 are lesser in numerical value. So this time I want to eliminate the coefficient, that means the term of y. So for that, what we have to do, we have to exchange the coefficient. Equation 1 is to be multiplied by 5 and equation 2 is to be multiplied by, again I'll write the equations, 3x plus 2y equal to 11 upon 3, then minus 7x plus 5y equal to 31 upon 3. Here this equation has to be multiplied by 5 and this equation is to be multiplied by 2. Still they are first and second equation because now we are modifying them. After multiplying the first equation by 5, we'll get 15x plus 5 to the 10y equals to 55 upon 3. And here I will get minus 14x plus 10y equal to 62 upon 3. Then again I am finding the same sign of the coefficients having both the coefficients are equal. So what will be the process? Subtracting. I'll show the adding process also, don't worry. So here this sign changes positive, this sign changes to negative, and this is also negative. This 10y cancel this 10y, this 15x plus 14x would be 29x, and 55 upon 3 minus 62 upon 3. So 29x is equals to 3 is the LCM, 55 minus 62. So I hope you understood what would come. It would be 29x equal to minus 7 upon 3. X is equals to minus 7 upon 29 into 3. So x would be minus 7 upon 87. This is our first answer, that means first value. So now I'm using from equation number 1. As per your choice, you can use first equation or second equation. It is up to you, my dear. No hard and fast rule we have to use always first equation or second equation. It is up to you. So 3 into minus 7 upon 87. I'm keeping the value of x here, and this is 2y equal to minus 11 upon 3. So here what would come? Minus 21 upon 87 plus 2y equal to 11 upon 3. I'm keeping this 2y here only, 11 upon 3 here only, minus, so this would be plus 21 upon 87. So I think 3 is common in both the things. See here, I hope you are finding 3 is 7 is 21 and 3 9 that means 29. Okay. So for easy calculation, I'm just cancelling because easy calculation will make less mistake. That means more accuracy. Okay. So here I found 2y is equal to 11 upon 3 plus 7 upon 29. So here what would come? This is again 87 will be LCM. 87 will be LCM. So 29 multiplied by 11. So this time 29 multiplied by 11. What would come here? It will be 319 plus 319 87 divided by 29. There will be 3. So 3 7 is 21. So this is 2y. So I am finding 2y equal to 319 plus 21 upon 87. So y equal to 319 plus 21 would be 340. 340, this is again 2y and 87. Then y would be equal to 340 upon 87 and divided by whole division, that means 2. So we found y equal to 314 upon 87. So many students are multiplying. See, do not multiply them because it is cancelling. See, 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 0. So y equal to 170 upon 87. This is the value of y, and we found the value of x very early. The value of x was x equal to minus 7 upon 87 and y equal to 170 upon 87. Checking of these two solutions, this solution I'm leaving to you. You will try and just check whether they are correct or not. Okay. So again I took one more question. Question is x upon 2 plus 2 by upon 3 is equals to minus 1. So this is our first equation. Now second equation is, I'm writing this is first equation. Second equation is x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. This is the second equation. To solve these equations, try to remove their denominator. That means rational coefficient must be changed to integer. So I'm changing from first equation x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equals to minus 1. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6 only. So 2 3 just 6 and 3 2 just, so this is 4y equal to minus, so equal to minus 1. Minus 6 will be later on after multiplying. This is minus 1. So equation becomes 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is the equation number 3rd. I am giving the equation number 3rd because it changes in the format. Now I took from equation 1, this was from equation 1, and now I'm taking from equation number 2. Equation number 2, x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. So this will be 3x minus y equal to 9 directly I'm writing. I hope you understood. So now I found two equations. One is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So equation is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is our third equation I found. And here I found 3x minus y equal to 9. This is our fourth equation. Okay. So here I'm finding directly there is no need to make the coefficient equal. Automatically they are equal. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to apply the process subtracting. Okay. Our half of the work is already done by us. So it is already subtracting to minus. This will be plus, this minus. It is cancelled. And it will be 5y equal to what would come? Minus 15. So y equal to 15 minus 15 upon 5. So y will be equals to minus 3. I found the value of y is minus 3. So from equation number 2, because it is looking easy way, so y upon 3 equal to 3. So value of y is x minus, so here value of y is also minus 3 upon 3 is equals to 3. So here x plus 1 will be 3. So x is equals to, I found x is equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Okay, I found x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. This is the solution, and this, which is called answer. If we want to check it within a minute, we can check it from equation 1. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equals to minus 1. So value of x is 2 upon 2, because value of x is 2 only, and 2 into minus 3 upon 3 should be equal to minus 1. So this is 2 1 2 1, and here 3 1 3, so either minus 2. So I hope you understood. This is coming minus 1 equal to minus. And second equation, x is 2, y is minus 3. So this is minus 3 upon 3. It should be equal to 3, 2, then plus 1, minus minus plus 1, then 3 equal to 3. These two are already satisfied. Now next question is very important and very logical questions. So many students are making the mistake, because as soon as you are finding the number are increasing, so your calculation will also increase. And with big calculation, directly you will find, that means your calculation will definitely, it will make some mistake. So rule says accuracy is inversely proportional to calculation. That means as much as the calculation, big calculation will come, your accuracy will decrease. So many students are without thinking, they start the question. Just try to see. This is the pattern of the question, as you are finding ax plus by equal to d1, and here bx plus ay equal to d2. That means if you are finding these two numbers are place and cross same, we are finding this 65 and this 33, they are equal and same. So in this manner we have to follow one easiest way to reduce the calculation. So I am doing that. 65 minus 33y equal to 97. This is first equation. 33x minus 65y equal to 1. 1 I will add them, and once I will subtract them to make the calculation easy. Adding what would come? 3 and 5, 8, 80, 8 and 9. Here also 6 and 3, 9, 98x, and here minus 98y, and here also 98. See, you are seeing here 98, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 5 8, 9. Okay, so I found 98 common. So x minus y is equal to 98. 8 by mistake I kept, and I found x minus y equal to 1. Simple and very easy equation in very easy way. See, this equation, solution of this equation is very easy as compared to previous one. I hope, because calculation reduces to a large extent. So this is, I'm writing third equation. Okay, once I added, now I'm going to subtract them. So I'll subtract them. So I hope you understood. I'll subtract them. So 65x minus 33y equal to 97. and here 33x minus 65y is equals to 1. I am subtracting. So subtracting process says sign must be changed. So this is minus, this plus, and this minus. So 65 minus 33. What would come? 65 minus 33? 32 will come. This is 32x. And here, see this 32x. I hope you understood. And this is also 32y is equal to what would come? 96. So 32 common x plus y equal to, okay, 32 common x plus y equal to 96. X plus y equal to what would come? 96 divided by 32. 96 divided by 32. I hope you are observing correctly. What would come? 3 will come. So after getting this 3, this equation will get x plus y equal to 3. This is our fourth equation. So now to solve this third equation and fourth equation is very easy. So we can solve. I hope you are knowing that third equation is x minus y equal to 1 and fourth equation is x plus y equal to 3. So I'll write here x minus y equal to 1. This is the third equation. And here x plus y equal to 3. This is the fourth equation. Now we can subtract or add because both are same. So I'm just adding. So adding process, there is no need to change the sign. It should be remembered by you in case of adding process. See, you can observe here also. Na? I subtracted. So I changed the sign. But here I added. So I did not change any sign. Okay. So adding process does not require the changing in sign because addition is already addition. Okay, so after adding, what would come? X plus x, 2x will come. This y will cancel because opposite side, and this is 4. So x is equals to simply 2. Very simple and easy way of the solution. Otherwise, suppose you will do directly, definitely you will make mistake. Definitely 2 and the place of. So I found 2 minus 1 equals to y. So y is also 1. This is the solution and you can check them if you want to check. Okay. So thanks for watching. In next video, we'll discuss about the